At its Silver Jubilee celebration, U3A Pretoria paid tribute to Margaret Rodseth with a musical presentation by Margaret herself and the group of male singers known as Mars Boys. Margaret turns 99 in December of 2025. She has been a long-time member of U3A and has had a distinguished career in the Pretoria music scene. After her studies in music in London, Margaret taught music and coached singers in Pretoria and was well known for her role as accompanist of the annual Gilbert and Sullivan operettas. Mars Boys were started in 1971 by 4 ex-Waterkloof House pupils. Margaret was a music teacher at the school, and they asked her to accompany them. The group grew to a maximum of 12 members, and over the past 54 years has seen many changes in membership, with Davy Chamberlain and Margaret, of course, being the only original members. Their average age is nearly 80, and they provide free entertainment for retirement centres or charity functions.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you very much for inviting us to be here today. That song, the Whiffenpoofs song, we borrowed from the Yale Whiffenpoofs, who meet once a week at Murray's Bar to drink and to sing. Similarly, we meet every Monday at Darby's to sing, but of course we don't drink. Only sometimes. So we kick off our program today with a song proclaiming that we'd like to teach the world to sing, and we follow that with 2 Negro spirituals, My Lord, What a Morning, and The Gospel Train Am A-Comin'.
You'll hear the trumpet sound to wake the nations underground. Looking to my God's right hand when the stars begin to fall. My Lord, what a morning! My Lord, what a morning! My Lord, what a morning! When the stars begin to fall. You'll hear the singers moan to wake the nations underground. Looking to my God's right hand when the stars begin to fall. My Lord, what a morning! My Lord, what a morning! My Lord, what a morning! When the stars begin to fall. Gospel train and coming, I hear it Jerusalem. I hear the always rumbling and rolling through the land. And get on board, little children, get on board, little children, get on board, little children. There's room for many a more. I hear the train, no difference in the fare. And get on board, little children, get on board, little children, get on board, little children. There's room for many and more. Toot, toot.
So a large number of South Africans have Scottish forebears, and I'm sure that some of you here do as well. In fact, I know that some of you do. So for those of you who do have Scottish ancestry, we have a group of 3 Scottish songs. For those of you who don't have Scottish ancestry, luckily we have the same 3 songs. Firstly, we have a call to Bonnie Prince Charlie, Will Ye Not Come Back Again? Then My Nut Brown Maiden, and lastly, Westering Home.
Charlie's now well gone, safe in all the friendly main. Only a handful breaking crowd, should he never come back again? Will he
onseker of die woord medley aanvaarbaar is in Afrikaans. En ek het gekyk in my baie ou woordeboek en daar het ek 2 vertalings gekry, 'n mengelmoes of 'n deurmekaar spel. which don't work. So ek dink ons moet maar bly met medley. Die 3 liedere is Sprokie vir 'n Stadskind, dan Lorika Raag se Kinders van die Wind, en ek sien vandag die son weer skyn. En ons volg dit met die welbekende Kom Dans Klarinijn, en laastens 'n kans vir julle, en ons wil julle hoor asseblief saam te sing met ons Suikerbossie, ek wil jou hê. well done, all of you. We even heard you. You can come and audition, some of you, for us. So many of you will be familiar with the wonderful songs of Flanders and Swan. Do you remember the London Omnibus? Hold very tight, please, ting ting. Remember that one? You remember I'm a Gnu? Call me Bison or Okapi and I'll sue. Nor am I in the least like that dreadful hearty beast. Oh, Gnu, 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 I'm Gnu. You do remember that one, I'm sure. Well, we're not going to be singing that one for you at all today. We're going to be doing the hippopotamus song. Now, this song requires you all to sing the chorus with us again, and you've practiced now with your singing previous number, so we want to hear you all. But I'll give you the words. Most of you, many of you will know it. The chorus goes, mud, mud, glorious mud, nothing quite like it for cooling the blood. So follow me, follow, down to the hollow, and there let us wallow in glorious mud. The hippopotamus.
Old hippopotamus was standing one day on the banks of the Cruchalia. He gazed at the bottom as it peacefully lay by the light of the evening star. Away on the hilltops and combing her hair, he said hippopotamus I the hippopotamus was no Libratus and sang her this sweet serenade. Mud, mud, glorious sun, nothing but like it for cooling the blood. So follow me, follow, down to the hollow, and there let us follow in glorious mud, mud, glorious mud. The fair hippopotami he aimed to entice, was seen on the hilltop above. As she hadn't got a man to give her advice, came tiptoeing down to her love. Like thunder the followers re-echoed the sound of the song that they sang as they met. His inamorata adjusted her garter and lifted her voice into
Now we go back to the 1920s with a song called 5 for 2, Eyes Are Blue. Has anybody seen my gal? So Leonard Cohen composed a great number of songs. The most popular one, of course, all of you know, and that's called Hallelujah. Now, he wrote more than 80 verses at various times. And if we were to sing all 80 verses for you today, it would be rather like Herman Charles Bosman's Beckersdale Marathon, in that you all will be queuing at the door of the consistory of this lovely church, seeking sustenance from the Nachmal wine. So we'll only sing 3 verses for you, and you can enjoy Roy Pate Chip's lovely tenor voice in the first verse.
On this, the walk, the minor fall,
finish our program with our last song, it would be remiss of us if we did not acknowledge and thank our wonderful Ma for what she does for us every Monday. She's a remarkable teacher and accompanist, and with commendable patience, she manages somehow to get some quite reasonable sounds out of us. So thank you, my dear Margaret. We look forward to singing with you throughout your 100th year next year. We end our program this morning with a tune composed by Sibelius in 1899 as part of a symphonic poem which he called Finlandia, and which he hoped would stir up Finnish patriotism in the face of Russian occupation. The work ends with a beautiful theme to which one Lloyd Stone in 1934 wrote English words which beautifully capture the love of one's own country while acknowledging the feelings and hopes of the people in other nations. Finlandia. Thank you so much. This is most unexpected. We don't usually prepare encores, but luckily we do have one for you today. And to prove how young we all are, we have a nursery rhyme for you. With apologies to Johann Sebastian Bach, it's called Bach. With apologies to Handel and Bach. It's called Dr. Foster Went to Gloucester.
to Gloucester in a shower of rain. He stepped in a puddle up to his middle and never went there and never went there again, and never went there again, and never went there again. Dr. Foster went to Gloucester in a shower of rain. He stepped in a puddle up to his middle and never went there Dr. Foster went to Gloucester.